struts is not. Oh shit. Stuff are falling off the car. Good morning guys, I hope you're all doing well. Another exciting video for you today. Whew, it is cold outside. It's about 3-4 degrees right now, but yeah, geez, cold. Sun's out though, so that's all right. So today we are going to be working on the rear of the car. So what am I doing here? I don't know either. So let's go at the back. Here we are right now. We are at the back of the car, and today we are going to be working on this, the rear wiper. What the, look at that. And also the boot struts. So the boot struts, so yeah, the boot struts are not strong enough to even raise the boot. Hopefully we are going to improve that today. And also all of these, what is going on here? So that's what we are going to be doing today. Here are our replacements. So we've got the wiper arm and also the wiper blades. I bought this on eBay for about £10, 10 to £9. So yes, nice one. And also here are our replacement boot struts, and I have also got this from eBay for about £15. So yes, these are our replacements. So yeah, pretty cheap to replace. Quite happy with that. So both these are about £25 in total. Boom, quick maths. Pretty good, I think. We'll fit it and then we'll see if they are worth the money. So we are gonna tackle the rear wipers first. So it's only held by a nut here, and I think that's it. Once we take that off, it should hopefully come off. We've got our tools here, so let's crack on. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed. So we have got a bit of a problem with removing the rear wiper. I've got a feeling that they glued this whole thing up. It's probably crap, probably smashed, so they've glued everything together. So I'm having a bit of a difficulty removing the wiper off, for God's sake. Just gonna try and find a way to remove this. That's snapped off, definitely. Bruh. I think that's what they tried to glue on, and that's why it was very weak, wasn't wiping properly. It's because of this. So that's snapped off, and they have just glued the hell out of it. And I think that also means they've glued the inside of this, which is a bit annoying because it's now very difficult to remove. So I have been hacking away for a while on this, and it's starting to expose the bits, so we'll keep going. We have now finally exposed the metal bit. We've got rid of all the plastics. This is absolutely sketchy. Because of this little metal here, we cannot get access to the thread, so I'm just cutting the top of this metal here so we can have access to the thread. Hopefully gives us a few millimeters so we can lock it in. work. Let's test it out. Yes sir. Let's try the water test. Yes sir. That is definitely much better. Very nice, very nice. So with that being done, we can now move on to the boot struts. Gosh, that took longer than I expected. Oh my god. So let's move on to the boot struts. I think I'm gonna need something to hold this up though. I'll be back. Bloody hell. Here we go. Yeah, that should be secure enough. This is what the situation is right now. So I've just got that to hold the boot up while I change the struts, because when you take those struts off, that shit come down hard. So I've just got that to hold it up. So to remove this struts, all you need to do is pull this pin out, this little pin here, pull it out, and that's it really. And that's the same here. This just needs to come off. To take the pin off, I'm just going to be using a flathead screwdriver and just lever it underneath, and it should just pop out. So that is the clip fully pushed out, and that should just come off. So that is it, nice and easy. One side's off, and put the new one in. And that's it. Nice and easy. Let's go and check that out, see if that's worked. Yes sir. Very nice, very nice. Feels a lot sturdier as well. Doesn't feel weak, doesn't feel shitty. Oh, there's an option to open the boot with the key. So guys, that does conclude our video. I hope you have enjoyed this one. That rear wiper took longer than I really expected. I thought it was just going to be a straight off, remove the bolt and put the new one in, but like damn, nothing is ever straightforward with cars. But yes, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Drop a like, drop a comment, and if you haven't already subscribed, please drop that subscribe button. And if you are a long-time subscriber, thank you so much for your support, and stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.